Introducing DC Lubricants Emissions Detox Pro Diesel. So this is the obviously diesel version. It is a powerful all-in-one product. What this means, you do not need to stock multiple different products in your workshop. This additive contains injector cleaner, EGR cleaner, turbo cleaner, and DPF cleaner. So multiple uses, use it on annual service, use it for pre-emissions test, use it for your sticky turbos, to clean your injectors, and also can be used as either a preventative maintenance for your DPF, or it is safe to use if the DPF light is on. The powerful DPF cleaner in here burns off soot at lower temperature, and we do not see an increase in overall exhaust temperatures. For any experienced DPF guys out there, you will know how critical that is. So one can on the shelf, multiple different uses. Okay, so DCL, trusted by the experts, trusted by the DPF doctor.